in your crime scene. And say you have the front door is open and the body's right there. You would have a diagram of the room where the body. We used to. Or you have clothing. They go in, they break into the place, and they take something. What is that now? You have people details, interview witnesses. People in the area have that type of car. Now, we know we got the different types of crimes, right? Right? That's going to be considered what?
But anything dealing with this type of crime, I pretty much do it anyway.
يقولوا بأي شيء يخص الجريمة يتعلق بالجريمة أنا الرجل المناسب.
I got a little twist for y'all inside, so.
اجمعهم كلهم مجموعة.
You know what I'm saying? At the end of the crime scene. Okay?
يا ولد هسه انت شو تعلمت اليوم؟ راح
I think it will help them in stabilizing a lot of the crime and a lot of the smaller active groups that don't want what's going on, a lot of the criminal elements that's out there. The better knowledge that they have with policing in general will help them with their duties here and help protect the country.
There's a lot of stuff we've learned during the class training we've never heard about before.
I think it's pretty important because the IPs, they don't really know what the right thing is, and we're trying to help them out. You know, they have a basic idea kind of what they need to do, but we're just kind of refining their techniques and tactics.